guys, welcome back to the Micro Futures Trader channel. That is a mouthful. We are looking at Casper. It is 346 on the 9th of February. Little volatility in the markets to say the least. Casper holding up pretty well among the heavy weight of Bitcoin breaking 22,500. That is a very important level we were talking about. If you missed that video, go back and watch it. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is the elephant in the room for now in these crypto markets. So kind of everything follows what Bitcoin does. Sometimes I understand alts run when Bitcoin tops out, but overall, what Bitcoin does kind of directs what the rest of the market does. Bitcoin was down. Actually, let's just take a look here. BTC down 3.78%, $867, guys. My arrow on the chart, this is a Bitcoin chart, is pointing at 22,500. I mentioned in the Bitcoin bubble video, in a couple of the shorts I've been putting out, that is a very important level. We want to see hold. So far, it's been broken and has well below 22,500. Anyways, back to Casper. Welcome to the channel, guys. Appreciate all of these subs. So let's take a dive into the chart here as we get a pullback. Well, we got a very nice breakout past two levels that took place on the 7th of February. So that was a couple days ago. And we have fully pulled back as a retrace. On that breakout on Tuesday, we didn't quite, was it Tuesday? Tuesday the 7th, we didn't quite get it up to our 466 level. The price didn't quite get up to 466. Very close, no cigar. Pulled back, found resistance at 435, which is another level that we have here on the charts. And then we are currently below 415 once again. And that is resistance. We are hanging in between 415, that's 0.0415, and we are above 366 currently. We have kind of pulled back and finding support, at least at the moment, right at the top of these candle wicks from this range here that we broke out from. So I'm kind of surprised to see the price pull back down this far. But like I said, when they crush Bitcoin, it's tough for many, even the best cryptos to buck that trend. But so far, we're finding support at the top of that range, which is nice to see. If we continue lower, my next line on the chart, I want to see support show up is 366, 363. That's an important level. Even if we get down to there, I would still not throw in the towel on Casper. Like I said in the, I think it was the previous Casper video, I'm not 100% on that I would give this thing some room. Got to give it some room to breathe here. It's some of these cryptos, probably are very volatile, so you got to give them some breathing room on these pullbacks. And that would be a normal area to find price support at the 366, 363 level. Too much lower than that, and then I would personally, if you're trading this, not just buying and holding, I would step to the sideline, take your profits that you should have from down in this level, and that would be a roughly, call it a 30 to 35% gain you should have there. But if you are just a buy and hold for Casper, I know many people are, that's a different story. This is probably just pure entertainment. I understand that. So let's throw some fibs on the chart from this candle wick on the 19th of January down to the whatever date this is here, the 26th. And let's see where we are relative to pullback on the fibs. So guys, we are getting a support at the 0.786 fib level based off this high and low move right here, this blue line. So that is good to see. Below that, if that does not hold and that fails, we have the 618 fib, which is very close to two of our levels. We had just talked about 363, 366. So there's right there is two very important levels for price to find support. It's either going to find support at the 786 or the 618. And if both of those fail, then there's probably more trouble ahead for this chart and probably Bitcoin. So that is definitely what I would be keeping my eye on, is that fib, that 786 fib number, the 618 fib number. So roughly the 786 fib is at 0.039. It's probably not exact, but it's probably very close to that. And then the 618, which is below that, is at 0.36. I can't see what that says. 0.036 something. Maybe it's 9. Either way, it's very close to our level at 366. So anywhere within that range, it'd be good to see the price find support. If it can't, like I said, there's probably more trouble, unfortunately, ahead for the markets and for Casper. Let me clean up the charts here. So that is pretty much going to wrap it up for right now. Keep it short and sweet. I don't see too much else to talk about here on the chart. If the price starts to continue higher, we will come back with some more and new price targets, guys, but we are currently above that one fib, and then we have the other one right in around our 366, 363 level. All right, guys, hang in there. Hopefully you're not getting beat up too bad in these markets, but if you've been around a while, you know that crypto is extremely volatile. So you got to have the appropriate position sizing for your account. Real quick, guys, if you want to buy Casper or XRP and you do not own it yet, you want to buy it, I have personally had good experience with Uphold. It's not a sponsor. I'm just sharing what has worked for me in the past. I've been using Uphold since probably back in the 2017-ish, 18-ish time frame. So it's been a while, and they've treated me well. So I will leave a link to Uphold down in the description, as well as in the comments if you want to check that out. Appreciate it, guys. All right, we'll be back with some more videos. Hang in there. Let's see where this thing can close tonight and find support if it does.